Hi everybody, today we will explain how to use Artister. Artister is the first and only web design automation product that instantly creates fantastic looking websites and blog templates. It is a powerful software that makes you a professional web designer of websites, WordPress themes and blog templates. It lets you create a fantastic looking website design and templates in just minutes, without having to know anything about editing graphics or HTML. With Artister, you immediately become a web design expert. Use Artister to generate cool web design ideas. Adjust the generated design using many includes elements, backgrounds, photos, objects and buttons. Create professional and full compliant HTML and CSS code and export your design to create great looking web and blog templates. Creating great design has never been easier. Now we will explain how to create a website. On top we have navigation bar. Navigation bar is divided into different categories used to customize your web page. The first option on navigation bar is Suggest Design. If you click here, Artister shows you pre-created websites. Every time you click here, there is a new web page. The most important option is Layout. Here you can quickly change the position of elements on page. When you click this button, appears vertical menu where you can change the form of web pages. For example, I choose first wide form, you can choose the other forms. Near vertical menu, there are three important parts of web page: header, menu and footer. A website header is the area where there is the most valuable areas of your website. It runs across the top of page and appears of every page of your website except on sales or landing pages, templates that have it removed. In navigation bar, we have header options. Here we can change the length, margin, height, border, color, and also you can put standard image of Artister, or you can choose an image from file. When you click on length, you can choose if header must be as long as page or not. When you click here, appears vertical menu. You can change the top margin and position of header. When you click on margin option, you can choose how distance must have header from border of web page. For example, we have choose 10 pixels. 8 option is used to increase or decrease the height of header. For examples, 200 pixels, 300 pixels, etc. You can choose what do you want. Border option is used to put borders on header. There are a variety of borders and you can choose one of these. Down, you can find a color option. Here you can choose a color of border. Always in header option, you can insert background color and also transparency of header. For example, 40%, 60%. If you want, there are some effects to decorate your header. You can add either background from standard image of Artister or from file. On either, you can add another image. For example, we choose little parrots. Then, if you click on Control option, appears vertical menu. Here you can insert a title, for example, Hello everybody. After you created a title, you can change fonts, color, size of your title and also style. You can put slogans like a title. You can change their elements. Another important option is slider. Slider or track bar is a graphical control element. Have you ever seen images that scroll horizontally? This is an example of slider. If you click on this with right button of mouse, appears vertical menu, where you can add new slide or delete it. Like a header, you can modify length, margin, height and border. You can also insert an image and you can modify background with standard image or other images that you can find on file of computer. If you click on play option, images start to scroll and you can insert how much slider you want. Another important option is menu horizontal bar. Menu is used to control the position and the appearance of main navigation menu. It consists of menu bar and menu items. It can be implemented as a standard website menu or in the form of tabs of menu buttons. Here you can change length, margin of menu bar and you can change menu style. What is the difference of active and passive form? Active is a page that we are now, while passive form is the other pages we can go. Follow me. There is a menu bar. Home is active part because I'm on it, and blog is passive part where I can go. Now I'm in a blog part, and home is became passive part. In menu option you can change menu area, color, etc. You can change also color of active and passive parts. When I hover on active and passive parts, they change color. Here I can choose color. On menu, you can add other web pages. Follow this step. Right click on new page. Here we can change title of page. For example, Erasmus. Now we look that new page is added on menu bar. If we click on Erasmus page, we can create new child page. We can create what pages we want. If we hover on menu voices, appear vertical menu. This is the child pages. Sheet is the body of web page. Body can be divided in columns. In left column there is a vertical menu. In center column you can insert what you want, and in right column there is a search bar, login and other links. On sheet there are a lots of blocks, and we can put, for example, an image, text and other things. How to create a block? We must come back to layout options. There is a block option. We click here to create new block. Block that we created, it was inserted in left column. We can move this block in another column. Follow me. Click on block, new block, and here we can change the column. It depends by block that you have put. If you want, you can change color, font or size of text. The end part of site is footer. People usually put copyright, privacy policy, contacts or social icon on it, like this. In your web page, you can put background. It can be unique color, standard images, or image from file. I hope that this tutorial to create website was helpful for you.